Hi, I'm Annalisa Lerma,
And I'm Emma Hines,
and we're the Winter Homecoming Chairs.
and this is our virtual pep rally video.
Okay, so the first, I'm gonna say an item.
What are you
You guys
guys?
have to grab it and bring it into the screen, and you have 3 seconds, and I'll say go, and then you can go. Okay?
Got it.
Okay. First one to bring back toilet paper. 1. Nope, Lefty. 2, 3, go.
It's too far.
Max.
It's like all the way up. It's all the way upstairs.
Max, the effort is down here.
I have not tissue paper. What are these called?
Paper towels. First one to grab a toothbrush. 1, 2, 3.
I win.
Oh, but Max has brought his phone, and Leslie didn't.
Is that cheating?
First one to bring back a plate. 1, 2.
Ooh.
Okay. Oh, Tanza, look at her. Angel. First one to grab a pillow that isn't in your room.
Couch
pillow, your mom's pillow, your brother's pillow.
Oh, we keep forgetting the 1, 2, 3.
First one to grab a pet or family member.
I don't hear.
Pet or family member.
I literally.
Oh, Angel.
Oh.
First one to grab something with 1 or more colors on it. Just has.
Got it.
Ooh, Max. First one to grab a spoon.
Spoon.
Do plastic spoons count? I have a plastic spoon.
I know this. Kylie Jenner.
Yep.
Sorry, I don't know the name. I don't know.
Jesse.
How many Harry Potter movies are there?
5.
Nope.
7.
8.
I was literally gonna say.
Sorry.
Oh, then it's 1 and 2. Okay.
It's
1 and 2.
Who performed at the 2020 Super Bowl halftime show?
J-Lo and Shakira.
Yes.
Good job.
Who is the oldest Kardashian sister?
Kourtney.
Yep. Oh my god. How long did it take to get Jim Carrey into makeup for How the Grinch Stole Christmas?
I don't know. 8 hours?
That was really good. How'd you do that? Okay.
TikTok.
Who sings the song Say So that's behind the Pop Ice and Puzzle? Yeah.
I don't know.
It is Tim Burton's 1992 Christmas / Halloween movie.
Is it Nightmare Before Christmas?
Yep. Oh my gosh. What movie in 2019 topped Avatar as the highest grossing film of all time?
Oh. Endgame?
Yeah.
I was gonna say, I literally
The
did.
Avengers.
Yeah. We got a point.
Okay. Black Panther starred what famous actor?
Oh, nice.
Yes, you got it.
Who is it?
Black Panther starred what famous
Chadwick?
actor?
No.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it.
Don't forget to vote for your favorite candidate on Google Classroom.